On New Year's Eve, the sky was clear. Jack whispered, "This is my year." With cardboard wings and a shiny vest, he built a dream that felt the best. I won't just watch from the ground below, I'll chase the sparks where the fireworks go. He strapped on boots and goggles tight, ready to soar in the starry night. Fly, Jack, fly to the firework glow, up where the colors shimmer and show. Through the clouds where the stars collide, Jack's New Year dream takes him on a ride. The countdown rang across the town as Jack's rocket feet lifted him off the ground. 3, 2, 1. He soared so high into the heart of the midnight sky. Fireworks bloomed in golden streams, lighting his path with brilliant beams. Jack twirled and spun, a comet in flight, lost in the magic of New Year's night. Fly, Jack, fly to the firework glow, up where the colors shimmer and show. Through the clouds where the stars collide, Jack's New Year dream takes him on a ride. Silver and red, they painted the air. Jack reached out and found wonder there. This is the place where dreams come true. The sky's alive with every hue. As the fireworks faded and stars stood still, Jack floated home with a joyful thrill. He landed softly, his suit aglow, carrying magic from the world below. Back in his bed with a sleepy grin, he dreamed of the skies he'd flown within. For every New Year, Jack would know the fireworks sky is where dreams grow. Fly, Jack, fly to the firework glow, up where the colors shimmer and show. Through the clouds where the stars collide, Jack's New Year dream takes him on a ride. So when the night bursts into light, remember Jack and his fearless flight. For every dreamer who dares to try, the fireworks sky will let you fly.